Okay, so hi everyone. I welcome you all to the day two of our webinar weekend. I hope you all are doing great. And I request please turn on your cameras. We have guests among us. अच्छा नहीं लगता है ऐसे कैम ऑफ हो गए. So please कर लो यार कैम प्लीज ऑन. And okay, कैम ऑन नहीं हो रहा. And so let's start our webinar. Today we are obliged to have Mr. Sumit Kumar among us. And it's my pleasure to tell you that he secured All India rank 73 in GATE 2021. He was a virtual intern at Altair and Teal Aerospace and Defense and has won a gold medal at NASA. So that's something we should be really, you know, inspired and achievable. And we are honored to have him among us. So I would like to welcome our guest speaker, Sumit sir. Hello, sir. And I hope you are
Hi,
doing.
am I visible?
Yes, sir. You're looking great, sir. And first of all,
Yeah.
congratulations, sir, for the gate
That's the
clear.
first compliment I've got since I've had a haircut. So yeah, thank you for that.
So congratulations for your gate
Okay.
clearance.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tanab. Yeah.
So over to you.
So,
And
okay.
before we
So
start, yeah,
yeah,
please cam on कर दो यार. Guest हैं, guest ने cam on रखा है. कल भी request किया था, आज भी कर रहा हूँ.
that's all right. I have no issues. Like some of them might be having lunch this year to see the
Okay,
meeting because I have not had lunch.
okay.
Okay.
Sorry for the time.
Nah, that's all right. That's all right. No
Okay, sir.
issues. Yeah. So thank you, Tanab, for a good introduction. And good afternoon to all of you over here. And I am Sumit Kumar, as Thomas said. I am Sumit Kumar, and over here I share a utmost privilege to come in front of you and share my experience with you on how to live your college life to the fullest, squeeze in everything that your college has to provide, be it your academics or be it your life, college life, which you say. Okay, my name is Sumit Kumar, and I secured GATE All India rank 73. I am currently an intern at Altair. Altair, in the if mechanical student people might be knowing, Altair is a great software making company which deals with analyzing and making softwares for the industry, which works. That's basically your Catia, which is made by Dassault Systems, but Altair deals with its own software community. And I secured until now, before GATE, my biggest achievement was that in 10th class, ninth and 10th class, consecutively, I'm a medalist in NASA Olympiad, and that's been like my biggest flex till now. Okay, so now I'm switching on to GATE after this. So,
Uh,
okay, so today I'll be just talking as a senior to junior. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in aeronautical, and I'm in 8th semester in Manipal Institute of Technology.
okay,
And mind you, that is not in Sikkim. They
okay.
have a different college, and I am doing and that Manipal is in home campus, Karnataka. So yeah,
Okay.
so I would ask Omar if I can share the screen. I have a little presentation
Yeah,
that I
sure.
made,
Yeah, sure.
and I would like to make the session more interactive with everyone over here. So
Okay,
the
okay.
presentation might have a little question pop-ups. So let's
We will.
start. I'll just
Yeah, sure.
yeah.
I hope everyone would enjoy that. And thank you for such.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So my presentation opening slide is this line. Like I think the basic demographic in the present webinar is, I think a lot of them are first year, second year, and third years. So
Yeah.
I'm assuming, yeah, so first years and second year, basically, like when you switch on from your class 11th and 12th, your parents or your school teachers and all your seniors, your cousins, the yeah, and all, everybody tells you this one line: college में तो मजे होते हैं. Okay, so if you think that this is happening, ask your third year and fourth year what is happening to them right now. Okay, So let's find out college में कितने मजे होते हैं and how much you have to enjoy and how much you have to take the benefit in. So what I believe that these are two different terms that we feel: a college or a graduation. Your college is something which you call it a organization that is setting you up in a phase which you will learn something professional out of it, be it engineering, medical, mass communication, law, anything. That's a college. And the benefit what you get apart from the degree, now you're called as a graduate, that's a graduation. Your college is your life, it's a phase, and your graduation is your achievement that you have achieved. Okay, so moving on, like we talk about a lot of things. Like these two words have a difference in their own. One term is your life, where you feel like college life genie hai, I have to do all these things, I have to change my routine, I have to do all that. And then you struggle with your graduation, your marks. You have to you have to build your own CGPA, your everything that is going to define what you did in those 4 years. Okay, so now I would ask you what to do in all these 4 years of your life so that you get the both of it. You enjoy the college life as well as you squeeze in all the benefits that your college has to provide. So now, before first year, me what I used to think, and I mean everyone thinks the same. The first question that is going to come to our mind is, and what I'm going to ask all of you, and you can just randomly say any answer which for anything that comes to your mind after reading this. The question is this: how to be cool? कॉलेज में कूल बनना होता है ना अपने को.
ज़्यादा
That's a fact.
आउटवर्डनेस अपने अपने में होती है.
Okay, yeah.
And
So in school तो we all are with our parents. So parents say कि नहीं, Instagram अब बंद करो, Snapchat off करो. What is Snapchat? What is Facebook? You're doing all this, study for your IIT preparations and all that preparation. But once you get into college, कुछ नहीं होता. There are no parents around. You're in your hostel, and those who are not in their hostel, I don't know how to react to them. But yeah, the cool factor is still existing. Like, how to be cool? I mean, anyone can answer this. What is your idea of being cool in
Building
college?
more interactions.
Okay, in your first year,
contacts you in
interaction
the
among girls.
interaction, contacts, girls, seniors. Like if you have contacts with
Seniors, okay.
seniors, you can bit of
Uh,
flex कि like इनसे ये
ah,
करवा दूंगा वो.
Yeah,
smart,
some
smart.
like
Okay.
bodybuilding.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah, a lot of people start doing it. And anything else? What is one thing that you can flex about? Just being cool. Wearing what your school did not allow you to wear.
Fashion, casual.
Fashions, casual, yeah. Going out, nice places to eat because now you don't have parents to tell you यहाँ मत खाओ, वहाँ मत खाओ. Okay. So this is the first year mindset that when you come into college, you have to be cool. And why do you want to be cool? Because you want to be accepted. You want to be accepted in a society where which thinks that if you don't have an identity, you are not recognized. So as a fresher in your first year, you are bound and you have to create your identities. Okay. When I came in my first year, I was one pathetic guy. I came from a school, Army Public. I studied in Army Public School, Delhi Cant, and there we have a very outward and every kind of outspoken nature, and we all were like very great friends. But then army schools and all, we were all, I had a own boy gang of me, and we had zero interactions with females and other things. And we did not go out to all those fancy parties and all which my other friends were having. So yeah, when in first years, there in Manipal, when you come, Manipal has a very rich culture. You don't understand at first, but then it's very accepting. So in first year, I really struggled in creating identities. So as a senior to a junior, I would start by saying, as a fresher, if you're in first year, you have to create your identities. And how do you create your identities? Like, let's take an example. I had 4 friends in my college, and the credentials of those 4 friends were as follows. Like, I had a person who was a class 10th topper, some state board topper, a class 12th ICSE board topper was there, a JEE mains qualified. Of course, he went into IIT, we were in touch, and national level sports player. These were 4 people, and including me, and we 5 of us And the very first meeting we met, we didn't knew about anything about each other. And now when you're in college, you cannot say, oh, I scored this much in 12th, I scored that much in 10th. You'll be a stupid one, because in college nobody cares about your marks. How much did you score in this exam, that exam, and what did you do in your school life? And in college, everyone is new around you. In school, if you change your school, at least you are the only one there who is new, and other people come to you to ask you how you're doing your day, how's done. But in college, no one is there to ask you, because you are no one. And so it is happening with everyone else. Look around you, every person in your class, if your class strength is 70, except you, all the 69 of the others will be struggling to make friends. Some might not struggle because they have a different background they have come from. Some people, like in my college, I've seen people who come from a place where they had like no interaction in study. Like in I let's take an example of IITs. Students who come to IITs in first years, I think in other colleges they don't have a subject called sociology and um, open experiments like that. But in IIT, in your first years, there's a subject where there's sociologies, and people are actually studying that. Why it is? Because in class from class 10 to 12th, the the students who are preparing for IITs, they do not go out, they do not party, or their parents don't allow. They do not talk to anyone. They just keep on studying, 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 and get into an IIT. And once they get into an IIT, they are total nerds, which we say na nerds. They're totally nerds. They don't know how to interact and how to talk to anyone. So that's what developing a social environment is. That's what IIT is doing these days. So that is my first point to you. Create your own identities. And how do you create your own identities? Exactly. Somebody said socialize, talk, and interact. So that is how you. And you need to socialize or go home, because there's nothing in between. If you don't talk your entire life, you cannot be one person who is just sitting with your parents or your family and just doing your work. There is going to be a time where you have to move out, where you have to search your own job, where you have to be working with people in your job which you don't know about them. So this is the part in college where no one is going to judge, because everyone is equally dumb as you in the first year in socializing, not about your other credentials. Okay. So every first year, like even if you see someone making friends, they might be struggling in maintaining a friendship. You might not struggle in maintaining a friendship, but you might struggle in making friends. So everyone is struggling their own in their own sense. But the fact is, you have to socialize, and socialize does not mean just talking. It means everything that to bound to maintain. And how do you do it? Talk. Yes, you have to talk a lot. You have to interact. You have, if you are an introvert, being an introvert, I think they are really amazing people. Introverts are those, like, they observe, they love to observe people, and the friends they make, the connections they make, they are on point. You will not find a rubbish connection with them. They make friends, and they have few friends, a few friend circle, and it won't break, because they're introverts, and they know how to maintain that friendship. They'll select people who happen to be resonating with their attitude and frequency. Okay. Number three, join your college fest. I see a lot of students, even in my college, they used to go home on vacations. 4 दिन का college fest है, 4 दिन के लिए घर. Do not do that. College fests are amazing. Enjoy, have your college fest. Even if it's a small fest, try to volunteer in things, try to know things, try to learn things. Go for sponsorship, go to shops to get your sponsors for your fest. And all those, get yourself involved in college fest. That's when you get known. Now, number four is a valid point. You can either be a class joker and attention seeker, or you can be a class representative. These are two sides of one coin. If you're a class joker, yes, people know that you exist and they start talking to you. You have a friend circle, and not the joker in the sense that you make fun of yourself, but yeah, you are a social well-being. People know that, okay, if there's someone to talk, I can talk to you. Class representatives, of course, you get known by your teachers and your faculty and your student council and your classes also. So being a class representative is holding a position, and to hold that also you have to give interview or tell your class why you're good at it. Number five, yes, very important for guys who come from all the boys college, learn to flirt, but don't be creepy. Okay. And it equally applies to girls also sometimes. I don't know. I've never had an experience. But yes, if you think that college में आके हमें relationship में आना है, then please learn to do it. It's not that you sit down and it's not a Karan Johar movie that someone is going to come with you in front of you with a car. So that never happens. Learn to socialize. Okay. Now, after you're doing all that, there comes your second year, the sophomore. You find your forte, the forte where you are good at. You start joining your clubs in your first year end or your second year beginning. You start joining student clubs. Okay, you pledge your allegiance whether you are a Targaryen or a Lannister. All right, you don't mess around switching with clubs. You feel like be in this club and I'll go up to president, becoming the president of this club. So you be there, and that's the best thing. If you are in a club, that's the best thing. Like I was in an IE Aerospace. Like IE Aerospace is an institution of engineer clubs for aerospace related student chapters, and then I was also in a dance club in Manipal that's called Showstoppers Crew. So I went into these clubs, and I know today like I can do a lot of things than I think. So these clubs are really a part where you can fulfill your potential. You should know where what is your potential, what you can do and not. So all the students, the first year, second years who are very shy enough that you don't want to talk, join the clubs. That's another good thing. That's another alternative to your shyness. Join the clubs. Start doing good things like go to dramatics, go to dancing, singing, or debate clubs, or whatever you feel like you should do, because it's what I'm saying and what I believe in, that if you don't know where you're best, you probably don't know what you're worst in. So you are nowhere. That we say, the na ghar ki murgiyan na ghar ki na ghat ki. So that's a part. If you don't know where you're best, you probably do not know where you're worst. So you will not ever find your potential, and that all starts from college. Now we think college is like all fun time. No, college is somewhere where you should learn to balance everything. In your first years already, I think everyone would be having common subjects, so most of the branches would be mixed up in one section and all. And then in second year you get into your own branch, you find friends. Or from second year, college is also a little relaxed, that now they are allowing you to go outside or extended hostel perm and something like that. So you start finding out what you love to do things which excite you. There's a time in college when in your first year and second year where you should do all the traveling, go with your friends, go have outdoor parties and all that. Learn to finance. That's very important. All right, if your parents give you a set of pocket money, like 5,000 every month or 2,000 every month, know how to spend it. Just don't make anything and ask extra money, because if you don't know how to finance, you'll have a lot of trouble in your future part. Learn how to cook, be it cooking Maggi in your kettle. I had a experience with cooking. I cooked rajma chawal in the kettle, and it was tasty, but the fact was that after that the kettle was useless, so I had to throw off. So yeah, make some memories. Have a cook. Okay, make friendships. They should be few, but they should be strong. I don't believe in making 19 people your friends group. And don't get into Instagram influence when 19 people go on a trip and all that. Make few friends, and they should be lasting enough. Read lots of books. Reading books, making a habit, that is certainly going to change you, and you won't even come to realize. Learn to be independent. Okay, why do I say that even after getting in college you have to learn to be independent? Because college is going to give you an environment. It's an organization. You don't feel their room is clean, you can call your warden or your caretaker. You want something certificate or work done, you call your academic section. But if you want to be independent, you should know that how you have to maintain your things, your documents and everything. And yeah, internship is one factor. I did my internship in Hosur, and one thing about Hosur is that it's an industrial estate. All right, like Ghaziabad. Ghaziabad is kind of very industrial, like or
Yes.
Ghaziabad or
Yeah.
Okhla. They are industrial places. Okay, and industrial places you don't find a lot of good shops and hangout places, because people don't spend over there, and the demographic of that place is daily workers or factory workers. They don't spend much. The PG is also not good. So that's the same thing in Hosur. I stayed there for 2 months, did my internship, and I learned something from there. Like if I don't study well, or if I don't have something good in my life to do, I'll end up being in Hosur at this place. So that thing kind of pushed me hard कि नहीं मुझे ऐसा situation में नहीं रहना है. That I mean really I did not find that place very suiting to my needs. Learn to be independent, but yes, I learned a lot of things: how to manage myself, how to live in a PG that's sharing with 4 people, and then work out and make your own bed and wake up in the morning, go to office, come back. Okay, that's what it's going to teach. Make memories with other things which you don't tell your parents about. Of course, you all understood what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
So
we
yes,
get the
make
hint.
memories. Yeah, that's how you are responsible. If you don't know, you're just curious and you will do so many things and you'll end up doing it wrong and regretting it for your entire life. So do it and be responsible while you're doing it, because you should know that you have to bear the consequences. So be responsible. Try it. I'm not telling you to get addicted to it or whatever it is. Try it. That makes you being responsible. And remember, responsibility means you are responsible for your own consequences, no one else. So don't blame it anyone. Okay. Also to me, also don't blame me.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now now you're done with your second year, and when you come your third year, that's your junior year, you realize first year में पढ़ाई कर लेनी चाहिए थी. So yes, to all my first years and second years, marks do matter. कॉलेज में तुम्हें जिसने भी कहा हो कि marks do not matter, they belong from a generation where there was ample amount of job opportunities and less graduate students. Today 13 lakh students give your CBSE exams. I mean, that was the recent data I've checking.
Yeah.
So 13 lakhs, 12 boards, that means approximately, if few people don't go to diploma or they do something else, India generates, I think, around 8, 9 to 10 lakh of BTech graduates every year. So BTech graduates out of 10 lakh, what makes you so special? If you want to do engineering, of course, if you want to do some other field after BTech, that's your choice. But out of 10 lakh, what is going to make you fetch a job? The idea of marks don't matter is a little obsolete at this point. If you are pursuing something else, yeah, of course, a BTech marks won't matter. If I'm aiming for CDS or FCAT or UPSC, why would I focus on my engineering? I would just get a degree and go away with my preparation in UPSC. Okay, but if you want to get into engineering, if you want to pursue your dream in engineering, if you want to really get into something which is going to require your engineering knowledge, then your marks are going to matter. Do not believe in the line that marks do not matter, a single report card cannot decide your future. That only happens if you know your other passions, your other talents, uh, where you can pay your bills from, where you can earn your own bread. That depends on that. If you have that, well and good. If you don't have, or if you have not yet realized what is your other good thing, start studying. And your studying is never going to waste anything. Even if you go for masters or PhD, it's not that you have given your GRE and everything, but if your score is bad, you won't get even accepted into colleges. I've seen people who got really good marks in GRE, but they were not accepted because their score was below 7 CGPA. So I've seen people happening like that. And GRE, they cleared GRE exceptionally with an exceptional score. So yes, marks do matter. If you think first year, abhi to chalo online hai, a lot of you might be copying answers and writing it. So yeah, if you think that's fetching you marks until now, that's not an issue. But yes, remember to gain knowledge and not just to pass your time, because there are other things to do. And I've seen people who, for them, if marks don't matter to them, they're not doing engineering. In the last bench, they are going and solving something else. Someone was doing competitive programming in second year. I've seen those kind of people. In the last bench, they were doing competitive programming, and right now that guy got placed in Goldman Sachs, and his placement amount was 36 LPA, 36 lakhs per year. Okay, so that's your thing. If you don't want that to happen, study well. No one is going to tell you that it's first year, and it's CGPA. First years don't know. Your CGPA is relative and it's averaged every year. So If you get 7 CGPA in your first semester and then 8, it will take a long time to get to 8.5 overall. So yes, start studying from your first year itself, so that you don't have to, waste your entire, if you ever plan to change your career into engineering. So yes, in your third year also you realize you have to do a lot of things. Your third year, your parents might be poking ki chalo, now you have to get a job, get a good placement. You start to plan your own career. You start to now this is the point where you have to build your confidence. Start building your confidence, because this is going to prepare you for your interviews and everything. If you don't have confidence, if you don't know how to talk, that's the first thing. Socialize. If you don't know how to talk, you don't know where to go in your interviews. That is as simple as transparent as water. You should be having confidence in what you speak. If you don't know something, you don't know. Just say it. You have to have confidence. Remember, resume is a paper. Why I've written this part? Because I see a lot of first year and second years, इनको किसी senior ने बोल दिया कि ओ जॉब में CV देखते हैं, जिसका CV better है उसे job मिल जाती है and all that. They had a good job, good package. All the first years, second years, I mean all my third years also, sometimes they all keep rushing for building a good resume, and like I'll do this because certificate मिलेगा, I'll write it in my resume. No, resume is a character. It's your shadow. It is going to define you. Resume is not a border that is going to define your potential. So know how to make a perfect resume. You should learn that resume is not a paper. You do everything for certificate, you're going to lose it. Do for your practicality. Do that you can gain an experience from. Okay, I have done quite few things which I don't have a certificate for, but I still write it in my resume as extracurricular without certificate and bracket. And I have done that things, like going to NGO and participating in social services. I did social services for 1 year. I don't have a certificate for it, but yes, now companies do see that, okay, if this guy can manage so many extracurricular activities with a good academic. I have my if you want to know my current CGPA, my current CGPA is 8.36, and 7th 8th semester results are not out yet. On 8.36, I have done everything that my college has to show. I have been to business study competitions. I've been a category head in my fest vigilance category. I have monitored 6,000 participants at once in a concert. I have uh, I have been in a dance crew, in an technical club. I have done digital marketing. I have written technical writing for Tequila. Tequila is also a technical writing blog page. I've done a lot of things. So that's what I have explored all of things, and now I realize that, okay, I'm very good in engineering. I'll stick to this. So that's what planning your career means. You should start exploring from your first, second year. Okay, build your connections. There are a lot of ways to build your connections. Now, this is India. You won't be allowed to go inside a company and talk to the HR or talk to the person or employees over there. This is not your America or Europe. This is India. You should use LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the best way right now. Today's If you're from today's generation, I mean, yes, you are, but if anyone from today's generation does not know how to use a LinkedIn, I mean, you're probably lagging behind a lot of place. Okay, start using LinkedIn. I got my internship at Altair from my college as well as LinkedIn, but I chose the college because I think faculty was known to me. So I got quite an internships from LinkedIn as well. I have connections with the HRs and directors of big companies, and I usually have a word with them. How are they doing? So learn how to maintain your connection. Like, see, if any one of you from here in this webinar, yesterday I think Virali ma'am had a seminar with you all. If
Yeah.
anyone want to be in touch, so how are you going to maintain that connection? How are you going to take it long enough so that after 10 years also Virali ma'am knows your name? So that is how. Learn to maintain your connections, not just send your connection links randomly to anyone and expect that he's my connection now. Learn to build connection, make a good resume, have confidence, and plan your career. Even if you want to take a drop, you should know why are you taking a drop. Because I've seen a lot of people aimlessly just taking a drop to figure out, and that is the worst thing you can do. There were 4 years of your life. The 4 years of your life you could have figured out. Even, okay, I agree. A lot of you don't get to figure out or don't have an option what to do. Take a drop, but do it wisely. At least have something in hand so that people don't call you dependent on your parents, right? And when you come your final year, your senior year. Now, senior year, I have a comparison story. The Western, the American, the European students, graduates, and the Indian graduates. Now, I want to ask you all, what do you think is the difference between them? Where do you think the Indian graduate and the Western graduate stand? Anything, whatever comes to your mind.
Practical.
Okay, yes, practical, accurate.
Like in India, startups are not like you know much preferred over jobs.
Well, they are
There are more job seekers in India, but in Western countries
Okay,
there are more startups, and they prefer the practical
okay,
knowledge, not the marks.
yeah, okay, correct,
well, they are
exactly.
very well aware of the of all the branches. Like they are very well aware of the all the career opportunities. Like what are available. I just got to know that most of the Americans have started taking interest in cryptocurrency, like somewhat
Yep,
like that.
very true. I mean, that's a good reason. That's a nice way to put it. So see, I your everyone's point is very valid, and I really agree because even I was going to say those things. So yes, your part is correct. Like see, the last somebody told, I cannot see the name because I'm using the PPT. What was the name, gentlemen?
Sanchit Singhal.
Sanchit. Yes. So what Sanchit said is very accurate. Today, if you ask any Indian, like, will you ever want to invest your money in stock market or your cryptocurrency or blockchain investment? They would straight away say, पागल वागल है क्या, जमीन खरीद ले गांव में. That's a straight way of investment. But they don't understand. Something called as Dogecoin just came up
Yeah,
recently. Okay,
Tesla is
Dogecoin
Elon
Yes.
Musk.
started.
Yes.
Yeah, and I read the news yesterday. Dogecoin's today's worth is $8.34 billion valuation, and it started recently, way after Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very old. I think 2003 or four it started mining. Dogecoin is very recent. So you see, right now, if you start investing, all right, even in finance, which I told you earlier, learn to finance. You should learn to invest. Be it your mutual funds, if you want to do stock marketing, start doing stock marketing. If you want to learn how to invest in crypto, do crypto. Start learning about cryptocurrency and start investing. Now, a Western and an Indian, the difference after they graduate. A Western person, he has been brought up in a society where after 18 years, his parents are not going to put them with him. He pays his own tuition fees, his own hostel fees, and everything to stay. He rents an apartment on his own. He does a part-time job, and he pays for himself. He fends food for himself right from the college. But as an Indian, ask yourself honestly, will any of your parents allow you to work outside when you're studying in college? No, they would say, पढ़ाई करो पहले, पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. That's a common line. Okay. So as an Indian, the person does not know what their beginning is. They The first salary an Indian guy gets is his monthly salary. I mean, the 90% of Indians get their monthly salary. Okay. If you ask an Indian guy what is his per hour, like very recently Kunal Shah, the CEO of Cred, he said, if you ask an Indian guy what is his per hour salary, hourly salary, he doesn't know. He will not know. But a Western knows his per hour salary because his starting job was per hour. He was paid per hour in his part time. And why per hour salary is important? Because at that point you have to realize कि तुम्हारा 1 घंटा तुम किसी को दोगे तो कितना तुम्हारा पैसा कम होने वाला है. How much are you going to lose? You should always have that loss factor running in you after your final year because that's the time you should be start working. You should start thinking about earning the money or making yourself more self-reliant, making yourself independent and all that. So that's the point. Now after the Western are also like, you get exposure, practical knowledge. As one guy said, yes, you get practical knowledge, but as an Indian you don't get practical knowledge in mechanical. If anyone from mechanical is here, okay, in your subject you'll be studying about carburetors. Okay, but the reality is carburetors in vehicle have stopped 20 years ago. Carburetor is history in the automobile sector, and we are still learning that. So we students are at the receiving end of whatever the policies are made in the government. But I believe in a sentence which we say that we are not responsible, and I quote, we are not responsible for how we are brought up, but we as an adult are responsible of our mentality and take towards the society. As a child, you don't tell your parents कि नहीं मुझे ये मत सिखाओ, ये गलत चीज़ आप सिखा रहे हो. You next about my gate. After I finished it, I started learning about market, and right now I have started learning about blockchain investment and cryptocurrency. Okay, and for my practical, I've been looking for internships right now. Sitting at home, I wanting to earn something, be it part time, just 5,000 a month. I'm okay with it, but yes, because I'm still waiting for my MTech results to come out for admissions into IITs. So yes, that is one thing. To develop yourself in these 4 years, you should know how to enjoy. At the same time, you should know how to maintain your academics. If your academics are fucked up, you will not enjoy it. You will never enjoy. Okay, because at the end of later end of stage, you are always going to regret why did not study, because you want to go into engineering. And if you don't enjoy, you'll regret what college life have you lived. So don't just become bookworms. Have a balance, and that's what is going to make you better. And I would like to end before talking about my gate preparations. Winners always quit. Don't be in a myth that winners don't quit. Winners always quit, but the difference between them and us is that they know what to quit and when to quit. And scene. Thank you. So I'll talk about my gate preparations to all of you. All right. So I was in third, and I think I had a plan, because since I don't belong to IITs and all my parents were like, get into IITs, do this and do that. So, and apart from that, I wanted to do something really nice, because this private college and being in aeronautical, even before I entered the college, I knew that aeronautical does not have a big scope in India. So I realized that part. I knew the placements are going to be pathetic, almost negligibly or zero in aeronautical. And voila, that's COVID. The COVID hit you in college, and I think I have no clue what to do. And it was March, third year. I was in my sixth semester. March 13th March, WHO declares it as a pandemic, and college closes for 1 week. मेरे को लगा चलो एक हफ्ते छुट्टी, but then the right next day the college issues a notice कि मई तक बंद है. So I made a plan कि चलो fourth year में मैं पढ़ूंगा, I'll study for my gate exam and all that. So I started. I'm like, चलो ठीक है, पढ़ना start कर ही देते हैं. I don't think it's going to open any soon. August, September, everyone was giving tentative days कि August start होगा, July start होगा. So I'm like, okay, let's start studying. I started my preparation in May, month of May, and that preparation took it along. It went till January end. So it was this long journey of, I think, 9 months that I went in preparing for GATE. I started from very basics, completely from scratch, standard books padhe. And one thing that for aeronautical, if you're over here, anyone from aerospace, I don't think aerospace is there, but if it's there, that's all right. But even in a mechanical or a civil or whatever branch you are in, that's one fact, that if you're preparing for gate exam, it's a long journey. If you don't know how to be consistent, how to have a discipline, I don't think you're going to go ahead, because that's the first thing. You have to make a routine, you have to be disciplined. Okay, once you're disciplined, you know that your body is going to wake up at that time, your body is going to sleep at that time. So build your routine. Okay, build your routine, and once you start studying, that's how you have to maintain consistency. Today आज आपने 4 घंटा पढ़ा, तो कल तुम थोड़ा push करो, make it 4.5 hours, and start pushing it until you reach 10 to 12 hours a day. And that's how, because 10 to 12 hours a day you'll reach by the time November December approaches, and that's good. And ठंडी का मौसम है, you're in Delhi. I was lucky that I was not in Delhi because ठंड में बहुत नींद आती है. So I think you have to push yourself even harder. That's okay. If you have thought of something and you're very passionate about giving gate, you will do it. That's not a big deal. Okay, and for gate exam, what I'll tell you about this exam is that it took me a lot of ways. I thought that I knew aeronautical very well. My CGPA is good. मेरे को आता है. But then when I started solving gate questions, it was pathetic. Every second question I'm doing it wrong. So now you start to analyze where you're going wrong. Now whatever I had learned in college, I threw that back. I started कि चलो अब standard books पढ़ते हैं. Let's start with a new mind, a fresh mind, and start studying from scratch. So I got out my standard books and started studying, making notes of everything, making formula sheet, previous year questions, and beach में I watched interviews of mechanical, electrical, and all those other branches. Why? Because uh, I believe in the fact that success doesn't matter. I am looking for the fruit that they did, the mistake. And every interviewer, the person who was being interviewed at the top, says, हाँ ये made a note कि मुझे वो गलती नहीं करनी. So I am a person who is not going to look at the Joe Stocks to find mistake. I'm going to look कि उस बंदे ने गलती कहाँ की. I'm that kind of a person. I think that push, because I was already prepared. इस बंदे ने ये गलती की थी. He did not start revising in the month of November. I'm going to start revising in November. I knew this person did a mistake in his first attempt. Did not know. I US Space Organization, and that's not NASA. That's something else. They have a different ministry for that. I think it was hosted by that Department of Space. So that I was not able to clear it, but then I got a letter that you can go to NASA on your cost basis that I have to pay. Then I did not wanted them. My parents also said, all right, we proud of that, and that was one story that I did not pursue my vacation time in NASA. So yeah, that was an Olympiad over there, and that then it ended. So over to you, Tanav. That's all what I had to share my experience, and I hope
That was really
all of you,
interesting. Thank
yeah,
you.
and I
And
thank everyone for being patient enough.
that was very informative.
Yeah,
BTech life, do's, don'ts, everything that the seniors, we want to learn from seniors, and we have queries about. So, totally. So, if anyone has any doubt, you know, you can ask anyone. Okay, so like when you were preparing for GATE, so did you get any, teacher uh, advice or for doubts? Who did you contact for
Yeah.
doubts, clearance,
I
and
uh,
you know,
I
just
did not take any coaching.
okay.
I did the entire preparation self study, and I think I referred my standard books. And if I had doubts, I used to go to my college faculty. I used to call them up, "Ki, sir, express my doubt," and he used to explain it. And that's what I did. I did not go to any coaching. Only thing that in the end, I only took test series from one coaching institute. लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो कि वो दो तीन कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के टेस्ट सीरीज उठा देते हैं एंड देन दे स्ट्रगल बिकॉज एवरी टेस्ट सीरीज यू हैव देयर इज अ मेंटालिटी कि हाँ अब ये भी कंप्लीट करना है ये भी कंप्लीट करना है एंड दे स्ट्रगल टू कंप्लीट एंड दोनों में से कुछ भी कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाता है सो I took a one good test series from one coaching institute. I believed in that coaching because none of the coaching is going to ever fail you कि नहीं तुम गेट नहीं क्लियर कर पाओगे they won't think bad of you. So believe in one coaching institute. एक maximum दो coaching institute के test series ले लो and the second one should be like just a backup. Take a coaching, take a test series from any of the coaching institutes and that's well to do. I mean I did it by self study.
So like GATE clear, okay. So any college plans or job? You have
I'll prefer college masters.
masters, okay. So like
Yeah.
any reasons like over preference over job क्योंकि काफी बच्चे job prefer करते हैं and
Yeah.
so like आपकी कोई like ऐसा कोई reason specific कि masters?
See, why I want to do masters is because I'm in first off Gate Aeronautical say there are not many PSUs. Okay, there's only few PSUs like HAL hai, National Aerospace Laboratory and DRDO. So DRDO opening has not come yet. HAL had come, but it's postponed.
Okay.
So right now I'm doing. I also wanted to pursue masters because right now BTech degree holders are infinite in this
हाँ.
country. There are a lot of BTech degree holders, and if you expect a job, you won't end up at a good position. So if I have an MTech, I have an extra credibility कि चलो BTech के बाद इसने MTech किया and that too from an IIT. So I would prefer that one. And after that, because of course after you get into IITs, little bit of extra hard work, and then you have at least good companies coming to your placement, and that too in aeronautical core placements. So at least you're sure over there कि हाँ core placements है. Right now you don't have core placements. Even in IITs, BTech वालों को नहीं मिलता है placements का option. Okay.
There's a question in the chat box. What is various opportunity for BSc student besides master?
BSc students beside masters. Okay, I am not well aware of that, but if I can see BSc students, most of them they go for masters, they become teachers, or they start with their PhD in foreign countries and they get into and research work and what mostly they become teachers or lecturers, and then I don't have much of an idea about BSc, but yeah, they get into teachers and all that and research work.
Okay, another question for you. So, which one is better, MBA or MTech? If we are thinking to have masters of bachelor,
Masters of
like which has a good scope?
MBA or MTech.
Yeah, yeah.
These are two opposite poles.
काफी
Okay.
बीटेक के स्टूडेंट्स
MBA.
करते भी है एमबीए कि लाइक बीटेक के बाद
हाँ
एमबीए कर लो.
वो वो खुश हो जाते हैं बिकॉज उन्होंने टू स्टेट्स देखा है. ठीक है कि IIT के बाद अब हम MBA करने जाएंगे IIM अहमदाबाद में. Then you get 35-40 lakh package in a good bank and all. MBA and MTech is too different. MTech is your related to your engineering, and MBA is your business and management. So, which has a good option, good scope. Okay, I would say if you are really into placements and package or paisa chahiye, so MBA is better. Okay, because if and that too from IIMs. I have no idea about any other college doing MBA. Okay, so if you want good package and good placements, IIM should be your way. And if you get an MBA over there, I think most of them end up in like big big positions. Like I have a senior who did an MBA from IIM Indore, I guess. He did
Indoor is
from
the one
Indore.
best. It's the best one. No.
Exactly, he did from Indore, and it's a very recent new IIM college.
Okay.
So he did his MBA from there, And right now, if anyone knows McKinsey, McKinsey is a
Yeah.
company that's
Yeah.
based in London.
Mhm.
It's a consulting and finance chain company. Okay, and it's a world leading company after Goldman Sachs. So he ended up in McKinsey, and then right now he is, I think, lead managing director in McKinsey. And right now he's just, I think, 35 years old. And 35, he's MD. He's living in London, and all that. So if you want that, MBA is for you. And for MTech, I'll be like, MTech, you have to be patient enough to get your research work done and then pursue your goal. It takes time to get into MTech because engineers are lot more available than your MBA graduates, of course.
Okay, so like
Okay,
Kshitij Verma asked, like continuing with the above question, why engineering students these days prefer MBA over MTechs for postgraduates?
पैसा पैसा चाहिए उनको.
Okay.
ठीक है, we've been living in a place जहाँ पापा देते नहीं है पैसा, मांगो तो ताने मिलते हैं कि पढ़ाई लिखाई कर नहीं रहे हो. So MBA is a better option, right? And usually कि engineering के so many different subjects पढ़ पढ़ के बोर हो गए, so you start like कि CAT exam देंगे, एक ही subject है aptitude, उसी को पढ़ते रहो.
Mhm.
So they have this mentality also, पैसा और aptitude पढ़ना है बस, और कोई subject नहीं है. So I think that makes it a little easy for them to pursue MBA, and then उसके बाद तो ऐसे ऐसे ये भी सोचते हैं.
Okay, so like best
Yeah.
time for preparation for exam like CDS or AFCAT.
Okay, CDS or FCAT. So
Yeah.
Archita, nice because nice you're joining army. Okay. So for CDS and FCAT, these are exams which don't require that much of your long-term hard work, because CDS or FCAT, basically where most of the people fail in your CDS FCAT is your SSB, your 5 day SSB routine, and that's it when you get screened out or conferenced out. Okay, but for CDS and FCAT, I think 4 to 5 months well in advance. I mean, let's take it 6 months. 6 months well in advance, you start studying. Of course, you will have your notes on history, geography, pol science, your mathematics, your English, and your FCAT has apart from GATE, and how as we locked up in the home. So how do we know about it? Okay.
Okay, sorry, I got
To your first
disconnected.
question,
Network issue.
so for your first, my was my second plan. Aspirants देखा ना plan B. हाँ, तो it's my second plan. ठीक है. So I never wanted to do a GATE and all. I was brought up in a army background. My father's serving, so I wanted to get into army. All right, for NDA and all. I did my NDA exam. I got selected for TPS also. I went to SSB of both, but I did not fail. I failed to clear the SSB, not because of some issue my SSB performance, because there was some documentation error. I was not involved. It was of the college, and I did not know in first year what to do with the documents. So I got error, and but later on, I realized that I am not medically fit. I have a license be eligible after I would be uh, yeah, T-form injection. That is seeing that in the background, and the child being has been scattered even I am responsible for. That took a long time to come out, and that was my. Then I thought, कि चलो gate करते हैं, let's get this injection. So how to know what you're good at if you're logging on home? So okay, if you want in other ways, I don't know. I think what you can, of course, join a club. But if just there are career counseling websites. They take your answering those questions, or go to YouTube, and the best way is check your social media, analyze your social media. What is the most things that you see on your Instagram pages? Do you follow entrepreneurs? Do you follow Bollywood actors? Or do you follow pages of army, navy, IAS, IPS, or the government? Or do you follow influencers who promote self-care or anything like that? Best thing is analyze your own social media, right? And if you're following pages like Naughty World and लोग क्या कहेंगे Instagram पे, तो थोड़ा रुक जाओ. They are meme pages. उनको analyze मत करना, ठीक है? Start analyzing good pages. Like, what do you actually love to look on your YouTube? My YouTube would be totally filled with news and science and technology and current में जो चल रहा है. So I'm very much interested into all these things. Analyze your YouTube. If you don't get it, then you go for career counseling sites and follow those pages and start analyzing there. Learn the questions. All right, Mutwal. So do GATE and IIT exams have different level? Is it same like CAT, and how much above GMAT or and CMAT? Okay. How to answer that? Okay, IIT exam, you mean JEE mains in advance. Okay, I'll take it that. So JEE mains advance is over here, GATE is over here. But the thing is that there's a lot of rush for JEE mains in advance. All right, almost every science student has to give JEE mains in advance as if उनका मतलब ritual है, ठीक है? They give JEE mains and JEE advance as ritual, right? So but GATE exam is like, it is, the good thing is it's segregated department wise. You have GATE mechanical, GATE civil, GATE aerospace, and GATE electrical. All right, so competition is not much, but in mechanical the maximum, and civil also maximum is there. I think 3 lakh to 4 lakh candidates are there in mechanical and civil. Okay, but the thing is that you know what you have to study in advance. Like for JEE advanced, you don't know what is the perfect syllabus. You don't know what is the perfect what thing they will ask. JEE mains has a syllabus that follow NCERT, but advanced does not have a fixed syllabus. But for GATE, the syllabus is what you have studied in your 4 years. So you know the standard books. You know now you have good coaching institutes for GATE preparation also, and GATE preparation coaching institutes also charge way less. So yeah, GATE and IT are at different level. For CAT, I won't say that, because CAT has a lot of rush. People give CAT like anything. They go for MBA. There's only, like I said, there's only one subject, that's aptitude, your basic maths. And the CAT, the thing with GATE and CAT is, GATE you have to have the concept strong of every engineering part which you're doing. But for CAT, you need to be strong with your calculations. You don't get a virtual calculator like you get in GATE. गेट में तुम्हें वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर मिल जाता है, but in your CAD you don't get it. You have to calculate with your hands. If you're good at it, if you can speed up your calculations, that's how you solve your aptitude, and then you're good to go with your CAD. Okay. And GMAT and CMAT, I have no idea about it. I think they're very much similar with CAT level, but they're basically mathematics. So that's how you do it. And GATE is all conceptual, and
So you
CAT is
like
all
you found
maths.
GATE really low level in front of IIT
In front of JEE Advance.
advanced. Yeah, I mean that.
Yeah, totally. Because GATE is something you've been studying since 4 years, and you know a perfect syllabus, and you know how to study that. But for JEE Advance, uh, I remember P block रटते रटते दिमाग खराब हुआ था मेरा.
सबका ही होता
But
है.
still,
इनऑर्गेनिक
केमिस्ट्री
सबका
में
खराब
एक
होता
क्वेश्चन आया, एंड आई आज मैं सर कि इसका आंसर क्या है, कहते हैं एक्सेप्शन है.
है. ये सबका है. ये बहुत डाउट है. केमिस्ट्री ले
और
डूबी.
फिजिक्स, हाँ, एंड फिजिक्स में एक क्वेश्चन आया था जिसमें दो डिस्क एंड दे आर रोटेटिंग एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. मैंने कहा ऐसे क्वेश्चंस क्यों पूछते हैं. So that's the thing. JEE Advanced is going to take every depth of your concept, and even if you are not sure what is that syllabus, what concept is it going to link. But in GATE exam, you know, it's a 3 hour, 1.5 minute every question, and you know you don't have to solve that much. You have calculator also in front of you. You should just know the formulas, and then you're good to go with your GATE exam.
So how did you
Sir, I
in?
have a question.
Okay.
Yeah, Harsh.
Sir, you talked about LinkedIn.
Yeah.
So, as a first year, I don't have much knowledge
Hmm.
about technical stuff.
Yeah.
So, how do we approach a person on LinkedIn? Like, how to make that connection, even though I don't have much idea about things?
Okay. I don't know who is running the LinkedIn page of CSI SR and MCR, but I think
So
there
me,
who's running it?
so I'm handling it.
Oh,
Nupur.
you and Nipur, yeah. I think they asked me in a like nice way. That's how you connect. Like they simply said, "Good afternoon, sir, and we want to invite you as a guest." That's how you make connection. That we want to invite you as a guest. You be very straightforward. All right, Harsh. You be very straightforward. What is your motive? Don't just beat around the bush. Ke, हाँ, sir, good afternoon. How you doing? How's your day? आपको आपको कोविड का इंजेक्शन वैक्सीन मिला नहीं मिला ऐसी चीज़ें मत पूछना. Be straightforward. Sir, how are you? I went through your LinkedIn profile. I saw this. I was very inspired by the work you did in this organization as this role. I wanted to know more about it. If you have free time, please let me know. I'll text you back. You don't tell them to text me back. You are the person who's asking. Tell them to text. I will text you back. Just give me any time. If you're free right now, can we talk? Is it? And your first question should be: is it the right time to text you? Is it the right time to talk to you? Or tell me a free time. I'll text you back, and then you start conversing. So that's how formal professional conversations happen. So that's how, and use your LinkedIn very wisely.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah.
So I was like related to something LinkedIn that how do you maintain like you won't be talking to that same person on every day or in a weekend. You'll be like
Correct.
contacting in a month
Yeah.
averagely. So like would it be that fine or what would be the talks? How do you maintain them?
Okay. My best thing which I've done till now is Instagram pe we share memes, right?
Hmm.
But on LinkedIn, you get LinkedIn. There are good posts, and you get in. And LinkedIn is like Facebook. Facebook connects you to people who are near your locality and near you. LinkedIn connects you to people who are in the same field as you. And the wall LinkedIn timeline and the wall also will show you same news related to current what's happening around the globe in your field. So I used to send them this. Like there's a person from Germany that I'm connected to, and he we just had a few talks. How's it in Germany? I had plans of masters, so I asked him what's all about tuition fees and all that in Germany. He explained me, and then right now while talking to him, I just send him few things like, oh, this is happening in Germany. Do you have any idea? He's like, yeah, I have an idea. So this is the kind of thing that if you don't have anything to talk to, just break the ice by sending something related to it. You read it somewhere and you send it. And it's not like you send it something very random or very abstract. Just sending something, or just in a day or two, just write it. Hey, hello, sir. How you doing? Just wanted to know about, or make a question of your own that is relevant to that conversation. Yeah, common grounds. That's what Pradyum said. Find common grounds. Like we all are aerospace, so I just asked him, how what's your take on Rafale? Like if Rafale has just been inducted into India, I think Germany also had a consortium. So he's like, and he's in a position where he can share a few things. So he does tells me. So that's how you do it. You go through your LinkedIn profile, and you find your common grounds. You talk to them at once at a time, and then once in a month or something like that. You just keep connected to the people, and to the people over here. If you don't know LinkedIn, you start using it. One thing I'll tell you: do not try to stalk anyone on LinkedIn. LinkedIn में notification आता है that this person viewed your profile. So I'm warning you well in advance. If you're thinking, don't stop. All right.
Okay, any other questions? Anyone? Or else we'll just end this webinar. Okay, another question for you.
Yeah. Is
Is
there any mistake you committed in the journey which you regret now and want us not to? In the college journey and gate. Okay, I'll use that too. I remember. I think I've done a lot of mistakes. I don't know which one to tell you. As I told you, I was like totally gone case. So is one thing which I regret doing is not to stay in your hostels. After your class finishes, don't stay in your hostels. Hostel is for sleeping. Okay. and just go roam around things, because right now it's COVID lockdown. I've not been in college since 1.5 years. I mean approximately 1 year.
And we have not
And
visited college yet.
see, that's the worst part.
Yeah,
So yeah,
that's
so that's what I say. Don't. I regret not leaving my hostel room. I used to sleep. You have a Wi-Fi. Go on Netflix. Netflix is worst, guys. It's worst. एग्जाम से एक हफ्ते पहले तुम नेटफ्लिक्स की सीरीज देखो, दैट्स फाइन, बिकॉज with your exam you're staying in your hostel. But if your exams are not around, you have fest, you have friends, you have outings, you have party places, you have friends apartments, you go on tours. Netflix और Amazon Prime तुम कॉलेज के बाद देख लेना in your job time. And these are things like, these are just for time pass. You don't have to be too much updated, like what happened at the red wedding. Did Arya Stark kill everyone or not? Okay, don't get all the spoilers right now. I think GOT is very old. Okay, but just be in touch. Okay, don't be on all the users and show. Right now, of course, you don't have an option. Only Netflix is there to save you.
yeah.
So right now, yes, but once you get in college, I would say do not just get so engrossed. Okay, let's watch this series, because a lot of college students start watching series, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Netflix, and all that. So yeah, use that at your own pace. So one thing I regret is not having enough outings that I've done. Do it, because you don't know, something like COVID pandemic occurs. So that's a sad part.
Anything else? Anyone? Just drop it in the chat box. We can read it. Okay then, sir. Thank you very much for coming. It was very nice meeting you. It was very
Thank you so
informative.
much. It's my pleasure, man. Thank you so much.
It was great. Thank you, sir.
Yes, definitely.
And thank you
Yeah.
everyone for coming. Stay safe, stay
Stay safe, guys. Mask pehno.
and
All right.
get
Chalo, guys.
vaccinated.
Thank you.
Get vaccinated.
Get vaccinated. Yeah. Chalo. Acha, NASA Olympiad. Nupur, NASA
Acha,
member. Okay.
okay. Okay, we
Yeah.
are not ending, guys. Don't leave.
That's okay. No, NASA Olympiad. I said NASA Olympiad was a two-time thing. It happened in 2014. The first time it came in my school. I was in ninth class, and they had a very, the marketing strategy was such that you clear this exam, then you have another exam from the Department of Space that is in United States. Then you clear these two exams, and you get a chance to go to Florida, Orlando. That's where your Kennedy Space Center is. So you do that. I cleared that exam. I got bronze medal, and the thing was that only the gold medal holders were allowed to write the exam for Department of Space. Excuse me. So I tried it again in 10th class when I was in 10th. I wrote, and in the entire school, I got gold medal. I went ahead and I gave the Department of Space exam, but that was totally different. That was not NASA Olympiad. That was a qualification exam. So NASA Olympiad, yes, I had cleared it with gold medal, but I did not clear the second attempt, which was letting me to go to KSC on free basis. But clearing the Olympiad allowed me to go on cost basis, which I was at that time not. It was not feasible for me to go. So that's how it was just one big win for me until 16 years of my life. After that gate exam happened, but until that I was flexing a lot on NASA Olympiad gold medal. So yeah, that's one thing.
It's not a small thing. Everyone doesn't
Yeah.
hear it.
Okay. Yes, it was organized by Orange Education. Correct. It was organized by Orange Education.
Okay, any other thing? Silver I won. Okay, we have another NASA winner here. Olympiad.
Yeah. Silver, you won silver. Yeah, nice. Preet, can I talk to you? Like, it's very amazing. NASA alumni, if I can say that. Okay, silver medal. That's nice. Did you give the second attempt? How was the second attempt?
Pradyumna. Okay, I guess a mic issue or anything like that.
Ah, that's okay. All right. No.
Okay, so
Yeah.
yeah, fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming in the graph, and thank you everyone
Yep.
for participating.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you
Thank you,
very much.
sir.
Stay safe,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Stay
For
safe,
your
all of you.
LinkedIn
Bye.
ID.
LinkedIn ID. Okay. Wait. I'll post it in my chats. Okay, there's the chat. I think meeting ends. Then are you recording the meeting, Tanav?
Yes, sir.
All right, then it's okay. Then I think that LinkedIn ID will be there.
Yeah, I'm
Otherwise, it's
recording.
not there. Just forward it to them.
Oh
All right, if
yeah,
they
I will
want it.
just post in the group in which we are.
Yeah. Okay. So if you guys want any other things, you can just contact Tanav and he'll get you to me. All right, or you can text me on LinkedIn. Any ways possible.
I have posted a LinkedIn on WhatsApp group. You can take it from there. So
Yeah. All right.
thank you, sir. Thank you everyone for
Thank you
joining.
so much. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.